All right, guys. So today's going to be a quick video, and it's just going to be us doing the legwork to get us set up for working on Tuesday. So we're just going to be creating a few of the elements that we need in our 1 point perspective final project. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a new document. So make sure that Illustrator is open. You're going to go to File, New, and then you're going to click on, so over here for measurement, actually first things first is right up here where it says Untitled 1, you're going to type in 1 point project final. That will be the name of your file, 1 point project final. And actually put your last name next to it. So 1 point project final and then your last name, not my last name, whatever your last name is. Okay? For the width of your document, you're going to change this to 12 inches. And you want to make sure that over here, this is clicked on inches. The height is going to be 9 inches. And if you have the width at 12 inches and the height at 9 inches, then this blue box, this landscape box, should be selected. And you should then press Create. So what's going to pop up is going to be a nice white canvas for us. Now, we need to find the middle of our picture. And the best way of doing that is Illustrator has a way of using a ruler. So you're going to go to View, come on down to Rulers, and then Show Rulers. So you'll click on that. As you can see, there is a ruler that popped up on the side of our document. Now we know that we need to make a horizon line for our 1 point perspective project. So half of 9 is 4.5. So right over here at 4.5, I want you to click on your line segment tool, bring your cursor over to about 4.5, and actually this little pink line might pop up. And that pink line is actually showing you, it's called a smart guide. It is showing you where you need to draw the middle line of your document. So you're going to hold down Shift, click and drag, and that is going to be our horizon line. Now before we move ahead, I want you to click on the selection tool, and I want you to click up here up at the top where it says Essentials. It might say Essentials, it might say Essentials Classic, whatever. Make sure that this option up here is clicked on Essentials Classic. Okay, if you don't have this option, let me know. If you are using a Mac, it might be a little different, but this should be clicked on Essentials Classic. So we know that in a 1 point perspective drawing, we have a horizon line. Now we also need, obviously, our vanishing point. So I want you to click on the right click over the rectangle tool, select the ellipse tool, and then I want you to click and drag, but just a little bit. Okay, I don't want a huge dot. Look at how big that dot is. All I did was I just click and drag just a little bit. Now, once you have that dot, make sure that the fill is filled in. So we only need one dot. I'm going to delete this one. Click on this one. Right now, my stroke is filled in, so I have an outlined dot, but I want it to be a fully filled in dot. So I'm going to click on the dot, and then I'm going to double click on the fill. And I'm going to select black, and then that is, oops, it went to white. Select black, and that is going to make a dot. Now, what I want you to do now, our paper is 12 inches long. Half of 12 is 6. So if you line up your dot with the 6 on the ruler, you should be able to bring it down. And actually, once you bring that down, if the pink lines show up, then that is showing you that that is the middle of your line, which is what you want. Okay? So all you need right now is a horizon line and a vanishing point. Now, we need to make sure that we save this document to the cloud. So I want you to go to File, Save As, okay? And this menu is going to pop up, and I want you to click on Save Adobe Cloud. Now, by pressing on that, that's bringing up all of your cloud documents. Up here, it says Save As, so make sure that it says 1 point project, final, and then your last name, and then you're going to press Save. Now, if you press Save As and you have a window that pops up that says Save on the cloud or Save on your computer, you want to click Save on the cloud, okay? Once you press Save, the one thing that's very important to check is to make sure that you have a little cloud up here at the top right next to your the name of your document, okay? As long as you have this cloud here, then when you sign in at school, you'll be able to access this document, okay? Guys, have a great day. You guys are working so hard, and I really appreciate that. Ciao for now, and I will see you soon.